Another.
Long Island Sound, the Concan Gardeners Bays, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 6 p.m.
Oh my goodness.
At 4:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms.
The heck is going on, dude?
Extending from near Montauk Point to near Gardeners
Bro.
Bays to near Maddox Inlet to near
Oh
Port
my
Jefferson
gosh.
Harbor, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Montauk Shoal, Napeague Bay, Shelter Island Sound, Great Peconic Bay, Horton Point, Little Peconic Bay, Maddox Inlet, Montauk Point, and Shelter Island around 4:30 p.m. Mortars Bay around 4:40 p.m.
Bro, what? The heck, Montana?
Around 4:50 p.m. Bowie 44,017 around the 5.
From Pennsylvania.
Montgomery
Bruh.
County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Essex County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bethlehem to Ancient Oaks to Fleetwood to near Reading to near New Morgan to near Reamstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This line of storms has a history of producing areas of wind damage, especially in Berks County.
Uh-oh.
Hazard 60 miles per if impact damaged the roof.
Oh, I could get the VSL 39 perfectly
And
clear.
power lines if possible. Locations impact. Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Souderton.
Is this a tropical event going on now? Don't tell me.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Into damaging winds. When cloud ground lighting is occurring, move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you
Bro, what the heck? SVR for Suffolk County. Dude, what the? Now Suffolk County's in an SVR. That's great. Oh my gosh, dude. I cannot handle this.
Hazard 60 miles per hour.
miles an hour.
Hail.
The pressure
Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees
Dude,
and power
what
lines.
the heck?
This severe thunderstorm will be near Chile and Mastic around 4:30 p.m. Mastic Beach around 4:35 p.m. Central Norwich is around 4:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Come on.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island in